In this video, we will discuss a word problem which states that a children park is 35 meter wide and 60 meter long and has a road of 2.5 meter width on its outer side. Find the cost of repairing the road at the rate of rupees 80 per meter square. Now coming towards its solution, firstly we will write the given data, that is length of park is equal to 60 meter and breadth of park is equal to 35 meter, width of road is equal to 2.5 meter. It is given in the question that we have to find the cost of repairing the road at the rate of rupees 80 per meter square. To find this, we also need to find the area of the road, and to find area of the road, we should know the area of the park excluding the road and including the road. Let's find the area of the park excluding the road. The formula for this is equal to inner length multiplied by inner breadth. Inner length is 60 meter multiplied by inner breadth, it is 35 meter. Now multiplying these two, we get 2100 meter square. So area of park excluding the road is equal to 2100 meter square. Now we will find area of park including road. Formula for this is outer length multiplied by outer breadth. Since outer length and outer breadth is not given, so first we find outer length and breadth. The formula for outer length is equal to inner length plus 2 multiplied by width of road. Now we will substitute the values. It is given that inner length is equal to 60 meter plus 2 multiplied by width of the road, and width of the road is given 2.5 meter, which is equal to 60 meter plus, when 2 is multiplied by 2.5 we get 5 meter, and 60 plus 5 is equal to 65 meter. So outer length is equal to 65 meter. Now we will find outer breadth, which is equal to inner breadth plus 2 times width of road. Now we will substitute the values. It is given that inner breadth is equal to 35 meter plus 2 times width of road is 2.5 meter, which can be written as 35 meter plus, when 2 is multiplied by 2.5 meter we get 5 meter. 35 plus 5 is equal to 40. So outer breadth is equal to 40 meter. Now since we have found the outer length and outer breadth, so we will find area of park, which is equal to outer length multiplied by outer breadth, which can be written as outer length is 65 meter multiplied by outer breadth is 40 meter. Multiplying these two, we get 2600 meters square. So area of park is 2600 meters square. And this is the area of park including the road. Since we have find the area of the park excluding the road and area of park including the road, so now we can calculate the area of the road. And formula for area of road is equal to area of large rectangle minus area of small rectangle. Area of large rectangle means that area of park including the road, and area of small rectangle mean that area of excluding the road. So now we will put the values. The area of park including the road is 2600 meters square minus area of small rectangle, that is area of park excluding the road, and it is 2100 meters square. By subtracting these two, we get 500 meters square. So area of road is 500 meters square. Now we will find cost of repairing. It is given that cost of repairing of 1 meter square is equal to rupees 80. So cost of repairing of 500 meters square, that is the area of the road, equal to rupees 80 multiplied by 500, that is equal to rupees 40,000. So cost of repairing the road, that is cost of repairing 5000 meters square, is equal to 4000 rupees. And this is the solution of the given word problem.